Why am I always broke?
Wait, that can't be right.
Something is definitely wrong with this balance. You spend without thinking. No, go.
This is the problem. Let me show you why.
Like a thing. Would you help that?
Nebbe för down?
Wargate, never more call that. Expenses are killing you. You waste money daily. Control your spending. Track everything. Now you improve.
Look at all this extra cash!
You waste money daily. We have to stop this. This segment here highlights the main issue. We must control your spending.
I understand.
Expenses are killing you. Look, the deadline is approaching. We have to finish items 3 through 5 on this list today.
I know. I'll get to it.
So if we move this task here, it frees up your afternoon for the client meeting.
Right, that works much better. Thanks.
You waste time. The audio is minimalist and synthesized, mirroring the 2D vector style. So if you click here, the module will load the next steps. See how the progress bar is filling up.
Ah, okay, I see it now. That makes sense.
You are improving.
Remember, time really matters here.
Absolutely. Let's get this done.
Look at this growth trajectory. We're expecting a 20% increase by the end of the fiscal year.
Impressive work indeed.
The key to long-term growth is understanding these market trends.
But what if the volatility increases?
That's where the asset allocation strategy comes in.
The data clearly shows why we need to start small.
Right, I see.
Look, it's finally starting to rise.
Yes, patience is key here.
You prepared for this? I know you can do it.
You're right. I've got this.
This is our vision for success. We need to think big.
I'm inspired. Let's do it.
Your mindset is wrong. Kumirbi was enough. You're doing excellent work. Keep that focus.
Will do. Thanks.
It feels good.
We did it!
Yes, great job! Come on, you got this! Believe in yourself!
If we implement this strategy, we can expect growth like this by Q3.
That's exactly the kind of thinking we need.
Your mindset is wrong.
Great job, team!
Keep it up.
Keep it up!
It feels good.